Your sis is back at it and spent months trying to figure out how we grow out our lashes ASAP. And I'm proud to say I figured out how to actually grow your lashes from this to this. I just don't think it's fair that some people naturally have long and luscious eyelashes, while the rest of us look like this. Sure, their genes have a lot to do with it, but losing the little lashes I had from all those fake lashes got me digging for ways to grow my natural lashes back in the shortest time possible. And honestly, most of these hacks were a waste of time and energy. But after months of trying out different hacks, I finally found an easy formula to grow my lashes back thicker and longer in just a few weeks. Anyone can have long, beautiful lashes naturally. But whoever told you that applying coconut oil or Vaseline to your lashes will help them grow was lying to you. Those are the usual ingredients that get hyped up as lash boosters. And sure, they protect your lashes, but they won't actually make them grow. And please, don't believe anyone who tells you something can grow your lashes overnight. Yes, you might see results in 2 weeks, but full noticeable lash growth usually takes 6 to 8 weeks. Your lashes grow in a cycle of 3 phases: anagen, the growth phase; catagen, the transition phase; and telogen, the resting phase. This means some lashes are growing, some are resting, and some are shedding at different times. When you start using serums or oils, only the lashes in the growth phase get boosted right away. Your other lashes need time to move through the transition and resting phases before they start growing again. Patience and consistency is key. But here's the secret most people miss. If you want longer lashes and fast results, you have to strengthen what's already there.
Duh.
It's not just about growth. It's about retention and long-term lash health. That's why I call this 3-oil mix the strengthening serum. It's a blend of 3 great oils that work together to rebuild, nourish, and protect your lashes for faster growth. It contains fenugreek oil, flaxseed oil, and vitamin E oil. Fenugreek oil is full of proteins that help rebuild weak lashes and support healthy regrowth. Flaxseed oil is loaded with omega-3s to strengthen lashes and moisturize the lash line. And vitamin E oil repairs damage, conditions lashes, and helps prevent fallout. Make sure to buy good cold-pressed organic oils that are 100% pure with no fillers or fragrances.
Nice.
Flaxseed oil should come in a dark bottle to stay fresh longer, and for vitamin E, look for D-alpha tocopherol on the label, not the synthetic DL-alpha version. But don't worry, I link the ones I use below, as always. Mix equal parts of each oil into a clean container. Use a cotton swab or a clean fingertip to apply a thin layer to your upper lash line before going to bed. A little goes a long way. Too much of anything can be bad for you. But if your goal is to actually speed up lash growth and see results faster, you'll want to use oils that wake up your lash follicles and fire up your lash cycle. This is the DIY mix that actually started to grow my lashes back quickly. It doesn't just strengthen and prevent breakage, it also makes your lashes fuller and longer without waiting forever. I call this 5-oil mix the Real Growth Serum. It's made with 5 powerful oils that work together to boost growth, strengthen your lashes, and help them stay in the growth phase longer. Castor oil and rosemary oil work together to speed up growth. Castor oil boosts follicle activity with ricinoleic acid, while rosemary increases blood flow so your lashes stay in the growth phase longer.
Nice.
Fenugreek oil and vitamin E help rebuild and strengthen. Fenugreek is full of proteins that repair weak follicles, and vitamin E heals damage and conditions your lashes. Black seed oil reduces shedding and fights inflammation. Again, always buy cold-pressed and 100% organic oils. I like to mix 1 teaspoon of each oil into a clean container. Then every night I apply it using a clean mascara brush. After that, I gently massage it into my lash line. But be careful, less is more. You don't have to massage the oils into your eye, sis. I said lash line, not eyeball. But while I was doing my research, I realized not everyone likes the feel of oil on their lashes. So I went digging for another effective option, because in this community, everyone is taken care of. This option is great for you if oil serums tend to feel heavy or sticky on your lashes. It's a simple 3-ingredient lash gel that's lightweight, hydrating, and actually helps your lashes grow stronger and stay healthier over time. Flaxseed and fenugreek work together to support growth. Flaxseed feeds your follicles with omega-3s, and fenugreek helps strengthen and rebuild. Vitamin E comes in to repair damage and keep your lash line healthy and conditioned. Add 1 teaspoon of each flax seeds and fenugreek to half a cup of water. Let it soak for 8 to 12 hours at room temperature. Strain it well with a fine mesh to get a smooth gel. Add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil, stir, and pour it into a clean container. Keep it in the fridge and use it within a week. Before bed, dip a thin layer with a brush onto clean lashes just like you would with a clear mascara. But if DIY isn't your thing, there's an even easier way to grow your lashes. It's convenient, low effort, and it works. But a good lash serum actually shows visible results in just a few days.
Nice.
Although you need to be careful with what you put on your lashes because many of these serums have chemicals and hormones that cause nasty side effects, like dark circles and irritation around your eyes. Look for one that's made with natural ingredients that hydrate, strengthen, and grow lashes thick and long. Just apply a thin line to clean upper lashes every night before bed. But lash serums aren't the only thing people swear by for lash growth. There's something else that's been getting a lot of quiet hype, and it actually blew my mind. There are girls out there who are growing thick and long lashes using a product made for cold sores? I had to dig deeper because how can a cold sore ointment actually grow beautiful lashes like that? L-lysine is an amino acid your body needs for healthy tissue growth, including hair. It supports keratin production, which is a key building block of lashes and hair. It strengthens existing lashes, prevents fallout, and improves overall lash condition and moisture. It's safe for many people, especially if you're using a gentle ointment. Just be careful not to get it in your eyes, and always do a patch test. Before bed, use a clean cotton swab, gently apply it to your upper lash line and on the roots. But out of all of these hacks, there's one product that takes the cake. It might sound like old news, but castor oil is perfect for natural lash growth. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood flow and feeds your follicles. It's exactly what they need to stay in the growth phase longer. Castor oil may feel thick, but don't let that fool you. It's one of the few oils that can actually penetrate deep into the hair shaft. That means it doesn't just coat your lashes, it nourishes them from the inside out, locks in moisture, calms inflammation, and helps prevent fallout. Just make sure it's cold pressed and 100% pure. Only the good stuff can grow your lashes. At night, use a clean brush or cotton swab to swipe a tiny bit along your upper lash line. That's all you need. These natural remedies are great, but be careful about what people tell you to put on your eye. I couldn't believe it when I heard people were putting onions on their lashes. Some girls even tell you to cry more. Girl, you need to cry to look good? What kind of advice is that? But one thing is still missing. Knowing how to grow your lashes is one thing, but knowing how to take care of them is another. If you're layering on oils and serums, you have to know how to clean your lashes properly. When you don't clean your lashes, all that leftover makeup, oil, and gunk just builds up. It clogs pores, blocks growth, and can even lead to irritation or eye infections. I always start my night routine with a good oil cleanser. It melts off mascara and makeup without rubbing. Just massage it onto dry skin, add a little water to let it emulsify, then rinse. It gets everything off while keeping your lashes soft and clean. Then do the rest of your skincare and apply your lash serum before bed. You can also deep clean your lashes once or twice a week with a lash cleaning kit like this. A good lash shampoo is oil-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free, making it gentle for daily use, even on sensitive eyes. Apply a little foam to your lash line, gently massage, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 1 to 2 times a week before your regular face wash. Healthy lashes are just one part of your ultimate glow up. If you want an insane overnight glow up, check out this video right here.